Hi, 你好. I'm Qimei. I'm back. So today I want to teach you the easiest way to learn Chinese grammar for simple Chinese sentence and complicated Chinese sentence. So let's look at the simple Chinese sentence grammar. It's exactly the same order as English, so it's very easy. Let's look at this example. In English, you say, I drink tea. So in Chinese, you say, 我喝茶. So it's the sentence order is subject with a verb and with the object. So they are exactly the same. So it's very easy. But how about a complicated Chinese sentence? We have a golden rule to help you to make a Chinese complicated sentence always right. So let's look at the rule. So in the complicated sentence, first you say subject, right? Either a person, like a who or what. And then you say time. After time, you say the location. Well, so I draw a square. And then you say how, means how you do it at that place. And then what do you do, the action. So that's the sentence structure. And sometimes we also say the time first in front of the subject. For example, when you can say time first and a comma and the subject and the location and the how and the action. Okay, so let's look at some examples. The first one, how do you say, I will drink tea at home with Qimei tomorrow? Okay, so in Chinese, you have to change the word order according to this golden rule. First, you say the subject, I, right, and the time will be tomorrow. Location will be at home. How with Qimei. Action, what do you do to drink tea, right? Okay, so let's see how we make this Chinese sentence. Okay, so look at this. Subject, 我, right? And time, tomorrow is 明天, right? And well, location is 在家at home. And how with 奇美, 和奇美, right? 和奇美. What do you do? 喝茶, drinking tea. Okay, so the sentence will be 我明天在家和奇美喝茶. Okay, now it's simple, right? Let's look at another example. How do you say, I will watch a movie at home with Qimei tonight? So this sentence, let's say the time first. So time will be tonight, right? And then a comma and a subject, I, location, at home. How with Qimei. Okay, and what do you do? Action, watch a movie, right? So you do this order, and let's see what this sentence look like. You say, time, tonight. You say 今晚, subject, 我, right? The location, at home. What? How you do it? With 奇美. And what do you do? Watch a movie, right? So the sentence will be 今晚我在家和奇美看电影. Right? This the complicated Chinese sentence grammar golden rule. Okay, so I hope you get it. So please, you can try to make some sentence based on the golden rule I just taught you, and leave your comments under this video. I will give you feedback. Okay, see you next time. 再见，拜拜，再见。